So we are moving to the fourth lecture of the organic compound containing nitrogen. The first reaction is the reaction with benzoyl chloride, that is the benzoylation. It is done by both aliphatic and aromatic amine. Benzoyl chloride react with ethylamine, formation of an ethyl benzenamide. Most important is it is also known as Sorton-Baumann reaction. Next is reaction with aldehyde and ketone, which is also known as formation of Sif base. 1-degree amine react with aldehyde to give Sif base or anyls. Similarly, 1-degree amine react with ketone to give Sif base or anyl. Ethylamine react with acetaldehyde gives ethylidene ethylamine. Ethylamine react with acetone to give isopropylidene ethylamine. These all are the Schiff base. Next is the reaction with nitrous acid. This is one of the most important reaction. So in case of 1-degree amine, aliphatic amine react with nitrous acid in cool to form aliphatic diazonium salt, which is unstable and nitrogen gas later on liberated. So NaNO2 plus HCl gives NaCl plus HNO2. Then 1-degree amine react with nitrous acid and forms alcohol with nitrogen gas evolved. Similarly, ethylamine react with nitrous acid, formation of ethyl alcohol. Aromatic primary amine react with nitrous acid at low temperature to form diazonium salts. Similarly, aniline react with nitrous acid and HCl to give benzene diazonium chloride. This process is known as diazotization process. This process is known as diazotization process. So benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis gives phenol. Similarly, 2-degree amine, both aliphatic and aromatic 2-degree amine react with nitrous acid to give N-nitrosamine. N-ethyl ethanamine react with nitrous acid to give yellow oil. Here is a Lieberman nitroso test. What happened in this test? In N-nitrosamine, in the presence of phenol and sulfuric acid gives green color, which on reaction with NaOH gives deep blue color and on dilution gives red color. Tertiary amine, 3-degree amines react with nitrous acid to give N-nitrosamine. Further, triethylamine react with nitrous acid to give triethyl ammonium nitrite and further N-nitrosodiethylamine. Aromatic tertiary amine. The aromatic tertiary amine react with nitrous acid to form green color para-nitrosamine, formation of green color dye. After this, there is carbylamine test, isocyanide test. 1-degree amine react with chloroform, formation of alcoholic KOH, that is isocyanide or carbylamine test. The reaction is known as carbylamine reaction and is used only by 1-degree amine. Therefore, this reaction is used as a test for 1-degree amine. Similarly, ethylamine react with chloroform and KOH to give ethyl carbylamine. Aniline react with chloroform and KOH to give phenyl carbylamine. So this is the carbylamine test. After this reaction is with CS2, carbon disulfide, formation of dithiocarbamic acid and further alkyl isothiocyanate. Here is the example: formation of ethyl isothiocyanate. Similarly, aniline two molecules react with carbon disulfide, formation of phenyl isothiocyanate and anilinium hydrochloride. 2-degree amine. Aliphatic 2-degree amine react with CS2 to form dithiocarbamic acid, and with HgCl2 no reaction is obtained. No reaction is obtained. 3-degree do not show any reaction with nitrous acid. Next is reaction with Grignard reagent. So RMGX is known as the Grignard reagent. 1-degree amine react with Grignard to form alkane. Similarly, 2-degree amine react with Grignard reagent in the presence of ether to form alkane. So these are the examples. You can have a look. Ethylamine react with CS3 MgBr to form methane. Diethylamine forms ethane. Aniline forms ethane. So these are the examples of reactions of Grignard reagent. Next is the oxidation process. 1-degree amine oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Suppose isopropylamine will give acetone. Isopropylamine gives acetone. Similarly, the reaction of 2-degree amine. 2-degree amine gives tetraethyl hydrazine. Tetraethyl hydrazine formation in 2-degree amines. Oxidation. Aniline react with bleaching powder to give violet color. Potassium dichromate and aniline black dye is formed. Next is the reaction of aromatic amine. The reaction of aromatic amine due to benzene ring. First is, you can see that the resonance structure. This is the resonating structure of aniline. You must learn the resonating structure. This is very important. We know that NH2 is ortho-para director. NH2 group present is the ortho-para director. Due to this, aniline undergo substitution reaction at ortho and para direction. So to avoid this, we used to get the mono substituted product only by the protection of NH2 group, and it is done by the acetylation process. So with the help of acetylation, NH2 is protected and we are getting the pure form of it, and the ortho and para can be judged by that. Halogenation, nitration are the reactions. Similarly, aniline is undergoing nitration process, formation of para and ortho nitroaniline, para formation and ortho formation. Similarly, sulfonation process is there. In sulfonation, aniline react with sulfuric to form para amino benzene sulfonilic acid. So that's all for today's session. We will complete the rest of the part in part 5. Thank you.